Hello friends, today we will learn to find out the square root of a number which is not a perfect square. Square root of a number. But first of all we take an example. For example 16. It is a perfect square and the answer is 4. Similarly we will take an example 36. It is a perfect square and the answer is 6. Another we can take an example is 4 itself and it is a perfect square. The answer is 2. But if we have to find out the square of a number that is not a perfect square, for example 53. How to find it out? Let's see. For 53 we will find a number which is a perfect square and it should be below that 53. The answer is 49. 49 is a number which is a perfect square, and when we find out the square root of that number we will get 7 plus, and 49 is less than 53 by 4. We will write here 4 divide 2 times of this number. 7 means 14. 7 2s are 14. We have written 2 times of this number. And now we will calculate 7 plus it. When we will calculate 4 by 14, we will get 0.28. So the answer will be 7.28, and it is the square of, when we do the square of 7.28 we will get it is at 53.